I'm doing, I said I'm here to play some music. Traveling all around from town to town. Guess he didn't like the fiddle or the cut of my jib. Both said pack your bags, son, you're moving in. Now I'm busting at the border, my plans have all gone south. I'm guessing now all right, but I can live without a couple of days sober. Might do me some good. Yes, Mr. Officer, it's all understood. I said yes, Mr. Officer, it's all understood. To the